In this video, I will share with you the highest win rate strategy on my channel for scalping stocks you haven't seen before. This strategy is so good that it can literally make you insane profits in the shortest amount of time. And to prove my bold claims, I will backtest it 100 times on the price of Apple on a 5-minute time frame. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you a lot of trade examples you can't afford to miss. Okay, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so we have our chart open. Now let's go ahead and build our setup. So for the first indicator, we will search for volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price, or VWAP, is a measure used in technical analysis of a security's average price over a trading period. This is a technical analysis indicator used on intraday charts that resets at the start of every new trading session. It's a trading benchmark that represents the average price a security has traded at throughout the day based on both volume and price. VWAP is important because it provides traders with pricing insight into both the trend and value of a security. VWAP is calculated by totaling the dollars traded for every transaction and then dividing by the total shares traded. Traders may use VWAP as a trend confirmation tool and build trading rules around it. And this is exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. So VWAP is going to be our first confirmation indicator. However, we're not going to be using this indicator in a standard old school way. We're going to be using it in a smart way. So the first thing I want you to notice is this. When the price action is moving inside the VWAP bands, the market is usually ranging. As trend traders, this is exactly the time period we want to avoid. There is usually a breakout that happens in the market after such squeeze. When the breakout occurs, the price action breaks above or below the VWAP bands. These breakouts are usually followed by larger moves. And this is exactly what we're looking for our trade entries. However, some of the breakouts are actually fake outs and they're followed by a pullback. So we must protect ourselves from taking trades when such breakouts occur. That's why we need to add 2 more indicators to the chart. So let's click on the Indicators tab and search for Volume Profile by Angel Algo. This indicator is fairly new, so not a lot of people know about it. Volume Profile is an advanced charting study that displays trading activity over a specified time period at specified price levels. The study plots a histogram on a chart meant to reveal dominant and significant price levels based on volume. Essentially, Volume Profile takes the total volume traded at a specific price level during the specified time period and divides the total volume into either buy volume or sell volume and then makes that information easily visible to the trader. The indicator consists of the point of control, which is the price level for the time period with the highest traded volume. It also has the histogram that displays at what price levels the volume has been the highest and the lowest. If we access the indicator settings, we can see that we've got plenty customization options. For our strategy, we're only going to change the window from 500 to 300. We're going to be using this indicator to confirm the entries given by the VWAP. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the last indicator to the chart. So let's search for CM EMA trend bars by Chris Moody. Let's access the indicator settings and change the EMA uptrend from 34 to 200. Also, let's disable this option right here. This indicator will serve us as a trend filter. When the bars are colored in red, this is an indication of a downtrend. When the bars are green color, this is an indication of an uptrend. Okay, so the strategy is now complete. Let's understand the trading rules. So here are the conditions for entering a long trade. First, we're only going to be looking to buy when the price bars are green color. Second, the price action must break above the VWAP upper band. Third, the point of control of the volume profile indicator must be inside the VWAP bands at the time the breakout occurs. Once these conditions are met, we can safely enter a long position. The stop loss will be set at the recent lowest price. For this strategy, we're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. So the logic behind the strategy is this. We're first waiting for the squeeze and then entering the market at the breakout. This way we give ourselves a really good chance of having a successful entry. Okay, let's see one more long example. So here we see that the market is in an uptrend. This is confirmed by the color of the bars. The price action crossed and closed above the upper VWAP band, and the point of control is being inside the VWAP bands when the breakout happened. This all tells us that the market participants are ready to push the price higher. So we're just gonna follow the rules and enter a long trade. Okay, now let's understand the sell positions. So first, we're only going to be looking to sell when the candlesticks are red color. Second, the price action must cross and close below the lower VWAP band. Third, the volume profile blue line must be inside the VWAP bands at the time the breakout happens. We're going to place a sell order at the close of our trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be set at the recent highest price. The take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Okay, let's see one more short example. Here the price action broke inside the VWAP bands, and then a few candlesticks later it broke out. So the question is, can we consider this as a valid trade entry? And the answer is yes, this is a valid short entry as long as the rest of our conditions are met. And if we take a look at the rest of our indicators, we see that they all agree. Okay traders, I hope these rules are clear. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Now let's start our backtesting to find out how profitable this strategy is. Alright, the backtesting is finished and here are the results. The win rate for the strategy is 78%, which is insanely high. The profit and loss is extremely high as well. We can see that we gained over 543% of profit on our account. I found those 100 setups within 5 months. The profit factor is 5.32 and we had 15 consecutive wins against only 3 consecutive losses. Bear in mind that all the backtests are unique. You should not base your investment decisions off of these results. Make sure you do your proper forward testing before trading live. So overall, I give this strategy a score of 10 out of 10. This is officially my best strategy on the channel for scalping stocks. So make sure you like this video because no one else will share such a strategy for free on YouTube. By the way, if you're more into trading Forex or crypto, check out my other playlist on this channel for more high win rate strategies.